Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the chapter Acid, Bases and Salt for class 7. As we know, different food have different taste. Like salt makes any food salty and sugar makes it sweet. But from where this taste come? These tastes depends on the chemical composition of the substances. On the basis of this chemical composition, all these substances are categorized into acid, bases and salt. So let's learn about more and in detail what are acid, bases and salts in chemistry. So let's start. There are many substances around us in which acids are present and we are using in our everyday life. If you need to define acid, you can say an acid is a substance that tastes sour and it changes the blue litmus paper red. Now what is litmus paper, what is blue and red color? This topic we will understand in indicators. So basically we can define all the substances are come under acidic substances that taste is sour. Okay. Now see, there are many examples in our kitchen around us that is acidic substances. So let's have a look at few common examples. As you see, milk and curd, tamarind, tea, all these are having different acids. Okay. So these acids are further classified in two types, organic acid and inorganic acids. Now based on their source they are divided in these two types, organic acid and mineral acids. So from where we are getting the acid, this is important. If you are getting naturally your acid, it means it is organic acid. Organic acids are the acids that occurs naturally and acids that are derived from inorganic sources are called mineral acids. We use many mineral acids in laboratory like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. These are few examples. Then further, based on their strength, means how strong or how weak any acid is, based on their strength it is categorized in two parts, strong acid and weak acid. Now which kind of acids you will say it is strong acid? It causes severe burns if it contact with your skin and in nature it is highly corrosive. So this is strong acid. Now maximum mineral acid like sulfuric acid and all, these are strong acid. Whereas which one is weak acid? The acid that is less corrosive in nature is called weak acid. Now the examples of weak acid is oxalic acid, citric acid, basically all organic acids that we get naturally, these are known as the weak acid and mineral acids are known as the strong acid. The next category of acid is actually categorized on the basis of how much amount of water is present in the acid. Okay, so it is known as concentrated acid and dilute acid. Now as per the name it is clear children, dilute acid means amount of water is more compared to the acid, it is dilute. But concentrated acid means the amount of acid is more compared to the water. Okay, so on the basis of strength it is divided into category, that is a strong and weak acid. On the basis of source from where we are getting, this is divided into category, that is natural acid and mineral acid, or you can say organic or inorganic acid. And on the amount of water present in the acid, it is again divided in two parts, that is dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acids means the amount of water is more compared to the acid and concentrated acid means the amount of acid is more compared to the water. Okay. Now we have to understand different properties of acids. So let's start. What are the uses and chemical properties of acids? Understand properties of acids. Acids are, these are some basic properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. The first one, the taste is sour, and these are soluble in water. All acids are soluble in water. Also, they turn the blue litmus. Children, blue litmus is an indicator. So they turn the blue litmus paper to red color. Okay. Acids are corrosive in nature. Because of this, acids are corrosive in nature, so they can burn on clothes and skin. That's why acids are stored in glass bottles. The next is acid reacts with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. So when acid reacts with metal, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Acid react with base and then produce salt and water. This is known as the neutralization reaction that we will discuss later on. Now we discuss about the uses of acids. So what are the uses? Few common uses we will discuss here. The first uses we will understand about sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, the chemical formula is H2SO4, and sulfuric acid is used in a variety of industrial product. So generally you can remember it is used in fertilizers, sulfuric acid. Then it is also used in dye, to make dye, and it is used in the car batteries. Then hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric is used in the processing of steel. You see this picture. This is actually what? This is processing of steel. Processing of steel. And also HCl is used in our household work also. Means many cleaning purpose, many cleaners, household cleaners, we are using the HCl. Then nitric acid. Nitric acid we are using to manufacture fertilizer, dye, explosive and plastic. Also HNO3 is used in purification of gold. The next one is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is used to make aerated drink, as you can see. So all these kind of drinks, which acid is present? Carbonic acid. Then acetic acid. Acetic acid is used to make vinegar, and vinegar is used in our kitchen for various purposes. The next one is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is found naturally in all the citrus fruits. Means these fruits are rich in which vitamins? They are rich in vitamin C. So vitamin C rich food, already ascorbic acid is present. And you know, this is very good because on the maintenance of the bones and teeth, this acid is required. So till here we discuss everything about acids. And I hope that you people understand. Now in the next video we will discuss about bases and indicators. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe this channel and write in comments that how you feel about this video. Thank you for watching.